Jenny, look at the paper bag we just made. What do you think of it?
Looks okay, but I feel like something missing. Take a look at our latest production, No-Crease shift feeding paper bag.
Wow, that looks more premium. The overall design feels so seamless. Is it new?
Yes, this is our newly launched No-Crease shift feeding paper bag making machine. It features a cleaner look, smoothing line, and a much better texture.
So what is the difference between this one and the one I'm holding?
Our machine uses an integrated No-Crease line design from shift feeding to finished bag. It's all done in one go. There's No-Crease line joint and button card. The structure is sturdier and the appearance more refined. It's produced on a fully automatic high-speed machine. Traditional machines are limited by fixed size. For example, making size like 26, 13/6, 14/6, 15/6 usually require multiple machines working together. But our No-Crease shift feeding paper bag making machine can handle size from 214 to 500 mm with just one unit.
Wow, that's incredibly efficient!
Actually, our machine produces up to 15 bags per minute and occupied only 14 square meters. Truly a multifunctional, space-saving solution. It also features an advanced all-servo control station with a simple interface and one-click parameter adjustments. Even beginners can operate it with ease. Traditional machines require over 10 people to produce this type of paper bag, but our No-Crease shift feeding paper bag making machine can do the same job with just 2 people. Changes to specification are quick, and the whole operation is much more streamlined.
That's a huge advantage for factory. It saves the labor, time, and space.
Yes, our No-Crease shift feeding paper bag making machine can help customers boost efficiency, increase output, and reduce management burden all in one. If you are interested in this machine, feel free to contact us anytime.
We are ready to provide you detailed product information and professional support to help your business grow. Thank you. Bye-bye.